Yeah, so we have someone on our team that kind of aggregates all of our data together, sales data by region, different product offerings, season, all of those things, customer orders, delivery performances. We're able to really hone in on what's working in certain regions and whether that's certain configurations or even I have clients that'll tell me, oh, right now we're using, let's just say, a 5-pound block. It's very specific to what we're shipping. I'm able to sometimes go into those facilities and really put my eyes in there and be hands-on, and see, hey, you've always used a 5 or 10-pound block, but I actually think, 60 millimeter pellets or something like that's going to form better around your product. And it's going to allow you to be more efficient in your processes. So being able to go in there and actually have a one-on-one conversation with the client is very important. Also, as well as just our keeping quality control at the forefront of everything we do. We produce all of our ice within 24 hours of our orders coming in. So keeping our quality at the top of everything we do is very important. Like Jeff had mentioned, roughly 8% per day of sublimation. So we don't like to have product that just sits on our floor and just sits there and sublimates and then your quality is not as good. So we definitely try to always produce everything as it comes in, and our clients really appreciate that. As well as just automating all of our processes, whether, our orders coming in, tracking all of our customer retention, breaking down all those volumes and what industries we're seeing are growing for us. As everybody knows, in different regions, it's different for everybody. But we're able to see that in our data, how it might differ from in different regions, as well as touching on just the social media and the marketing aspect has been big for us. There's not a ton of people that are harping on that in our industry, and that's been, we've had really good feedback with that as well, where people are finding us from just our marketing and our social media as well.